love cupcake, why not try on your own? On this video, you will learn how to make a very smooth and fluffy cupcake. This is the finished product of my cupcake with the frosting already, and I will make a different video on how I made it. I have 10 egg whites already, as I didn't notice that my camera was off when I started. So I separate the egg whites from the egg yolk, and I use a mixer dahil mangangalay kamay natin. You can use a whisk naman, but it would take more time than using a mixer. And then I add 2 cups of confectioner powder sugar, as I prefer using that one, to make our cupcake super fluffy. And then mix it together. Put the sugar ng paunti-unti, not in one shot. And then mix it well. And then set aside na natin siya. And here we go. It's ready. And set aside lang natin muna siya. And then next is our egg yolk. We have the egg yolk, and then we have to mix it together. And then let's add 1/4 teaspoon of iodized salt. And then the vanilla essence, it's 1 tablespoon of it. And we have to mix it. And then I add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Let's add 300 ml of water, but you have option to use an evaporated milk naman. Pero here, I use water for curiosity if it's still masarap. And of course, to save na din. And mix it again. Let's add 1/4 cup of vinegar. And let's mix it together until it is well combined. Let's add 2 cups of flour, but then we have to sieve it first. So ayan na, makikita na natin na may namumuo-muo. So kailangan talagang isala siya before natin ihalo sa ating wet ingredients. I add food color to it so it would look good for the kids and they would kind of love it. And then hahaluin lang natin siya para ma-spread yung color niya evenly. And let's add a food color kasi parang kinulang siya. And then let's pour now our batter and then mix it together to incorporate. And here I've added 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And here we go. We just have to prepare our cupcake tray, and then I think I cannot put it in the oven, all of it, kasi dalawang tray lang meron tayo. And while doing this one, pinipreheat ko na po ang oven. So, para pagkatapos nito, ready na po ang ating oven. So, pasensya na po. May tag pa po yung tray ko. here we go. Our first batch is already done. So while waiting for another batch, so it's tikiman time. So look at that, guys. It's super smooth, super fluffy, and then look at the texture. It's amazing. So let's try it, guys. That's it for our video, and thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye bye.